Losing my mind, losing my mind, losing control. Straight out of